Jimmy, what's the rule on this? He swung, the club head fell off, but he followed through. That's a stroke, right?
Decision 14-2. A stroke is defined by forward movement of the club to the ball. A shaft in itself is not a club. No penalty. Yes!
Aw, fuck you, Jimmy.
Read the rule book.
Wow. Jimmy, you know your stuff.
Better believe it.
Let me ask you something. Is there such a thing as a putter being too straight?
Definitely. Look at this putter here. Has a tilt, right?
Yeah.
Definitely not 90 degrees. Has to have
No.
at least 10 degrees of tilt.
So it can't have it more than an 80-degree angle?
Correct.
Can't be like this. Has to be like this.
Has to be like this. Tilt, just like this.
Well, what do you know?
You know the penalty for a non-conforming club?
No.
Disqualification.
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 Thanks, Jimmy.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, can I help you?
Oh, looking for Richard Lewis's bag?
Oh, he never leaves his bag here. He always takes it home.
Really? Is that unusual?
Very. He's probably the only one in the club who does that.
You don't say. Huh. Ah. Isn't that interesting? Isn't that interesting?
Marilyn, if you could show them to their table. Yes, thank you so much. Benvenuto a teatro. Hi.
Hello.
Benvenuto a teatro.
Oh, grazie. I called earlier.
Yes.
Reservation, Larry David, and I requested a table by the window.
I'm sorry, but we cannot honor that request.
And why is that, may I ask?
Because we're all filled up over here.
I see tables.
Yes, those are reserved for a few people, but I do have a lovely table for you.
Let me take a guess. Somewhere over there?
Yes.
Ah.
A wonderful table for
What a
you.
wild guess.
Yes.
Yeah.
Great. Shall we? Mr. David, please, your table here. Come along.
Look at this one. What happened here? Oh, will you look at this? Oh, my God.
Mr. David, here we are.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
All right, thanks. I get
you.
it.
Thank you.
I get it.
Anything else I can get for you?
Hey, let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
Why did you fire that bathroom attendant?
Because he left his post.
Okay, you know what? I asked him to leave. I requested it.
With all due respect, Mr. David, I can't fire you. But I can fire Harold for not doing his job.
Oh, yeah, bravo. Good going.
Well, benvenuto a teatro.
Bienvenuto.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Look at this. Look at this. Look where I wound up in my life, in the ugly section. I'm in the ugly section. You know, my whole life I suspected I was ugly. But I never really knew. I never had proof. And now I have proof. I have proof. This is it. This is the proof.
What are you talking about?
How did I